My name is Bill Lovekamp from the Department of Sociology and Anthropology. My research primarily focuses on the sociological study of disasters. Sociological disaster researchers often examine how social factors like race and ethnicity, gender, and social class influence people's ability to prepare for, respond to, and to recover from disasters. For example, many poor people in Hurricane Katrina impacted areas often did not have enough money to make sure their homes could withstand hurricane-strength winds. They did not have the money or vehicles to evacuate, and they now have no money to relocate or to rebuild their homes that have been destroyed. I have 3 primary research projects that I have been working on. The first project is a continuation of work with colleagues that examines urban women's experiences during and after floods in Bangladesh. This examines women's work shifts among garment, domestic, sex work, and housewives in the context of global trade changes. After the 2004 floods, many women had to change their jobs. The garment sector has proven to be very important as a safety net and provided temporary work for women who could not fulfill their normal obligations. They also experienced sheltering problems, difficulty getting to work, to market, to relief supply lines, and doing housework. Many of these women also never received any kind of disaster assistance. A second project examines college students' perceptions of risk, preparedness for, and experience with disasters, namely tornadoes and earthquakes. In this research, which was recently published with an undergraduate co-author, we found students have limited direct experience with disasters, are moderately concerned about disasters like tornadoes, and do very little to prepare. This led to a second phase of the research with another undergraduate student where we completed focus group interviews with students asking about their risk, preparedness for, and experience with disasters. To add to the earlier research, we found that female students were much more fearful of disasters, while males made a point to talk about how they were not afraid. Also, since this research started immediately after the tornado that struck Union University in February of 2008, we showed the students video footage of the devastation and asked for their reactions. Many changed their views, and in the end, they were brainstorming how they could be more prepared and spread the word across campus. The third project I am working on examines the history of the field of disaster research by analyzing all dissertations completed on a disaster topic in the social and behavioral sciences since the first dissertation was completed in 1920. I am examining the impact that disasters have on the number and type of dissertations produced, the impact major disaster research centers and universities have on shaping past and future dissertations, which academic disciplines have most commonly produced doctoral dissertations, and key social issues that have been examined, such as race and ethnicity, gender, and social class.